Dolphin Manufacturing line is basically a manufacturing entity which serves both internal customers as an intercompany business as well as external customers. And we export to roughly 65 countries worldwide, and the main segments are automotive, off-highway and industrial, railway segment and air conditioning segment. Own research and development in-house, where we address both, let's say, fluid mechanics issues, thermodynamic issues. We are the only company in this region which operates own wind tunnel 3D vibration testing, so we can do as well structural testing. We have own department for copper brass, own department for brazed aluminium, own department for HVAC and own department for brazed copper brass heat exchangers. Then if we go to the manufacturing side, we are only company in this region which operates own high-frequency welding mills, which means that we are fully vertically integrated company. We are not so much dependent on, let's say, foreign suppliers, but we control the on-time deliveries to our customers and the service level to our customers with full vertical integration.
It is with pride that I say it has been our continuous pursuit to provide our customers with results. The company provides us the flexibility and the responsibility to achieve the goals and is destined to new heights.
Well, DML has been actually expanding quite a lot during the recent years. First of all, we invested heavily to have a state-of-the-art research and development facility, and of course the main African aftermarket, but it's go to the international market and more towards industrial or OEM market. I would say that the special thing is obviously a private ownership and the potential what the private ownership brings to such an operation. And for us as a privately owned company, especially when the owners are close to the day-to-day operations, it gives us